Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a little fun mystery box unboxings. I love mystery boxes, and this is from one of my favorite Etsy stores, Whimsy Barn Vintage. So if you've missed any of my vintage mystery boxes that I purchased from her, this is probably the 5th one. They've all been so much fun and so many vintage treasures in there. I love the way she curates the box. Now this particular one is her vintage Boyd's Bear mystery box. So let's see what she included and open this up. So nice thing is she ships it pretty quickly, and I have never been disappointed. I've loved all her boxes. She also has, if you're a journal maker or just love vintage paper ephemera, she has that too. Now I love teddy bears and I love vintage items too, so this is why I purchased this. So let's look. Oh my goodness, so this is her little thank you note that she always has at the top. It says thank you for your order. Love it. I'll put her link below, and look at how fun she has packaged the items here. Oh my gosh, Sandy, thank you so much. For Clarissa. So let's open this first item. Super exciting, and I love that she individually wraps them, which makes it even more exciting when you're trying to unbox a mystery. Oh my gosh. It feels like a ceramic to me, but we'll have to see. So it did say in the listing that she would be including a few little surprises, and I'm thinking this is the surprise. How awesome is that? Look at this bear. That is so pretty. Let me bring it up. So this is a magnet, and I love it. He has a heart that says love, and he has this cute little stuffed toy there, and there's a cute little mouse, I think, at the bottom of his feet. This is too cute. I love it. So it looks like this is the extra, and I love it. Now we have the other one here, and it's soft, and I think it is the bear. How cute! Look at this guy. So these bears have, they're popular for their they're like jointed dolls, and you can move them around and position them. And this one has a tag on it too. I'm just wondering if it was made, if this was the one made in the 90s. I'll have to look it up. But how cute is this guy? He's like wearing a Santa little outfit in a green color. That's really cute. Let's see what else we have here. There is a, wow, this is a larger piece here. Oh wow, look at this guy. How cute. Look at that fur. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. So this is called the Head Bean Collection. It has the tag, original tag. I'm trying to see if we can see the year. I'll just have to look it up. I don't quite see it on the tag here. Or am I just missing it? But anyway, that is included, and he is CC Boo Bear. Oh, that is so adorable. This was such a fun box, and how cute is that teddy bear? So we have this one. She had this cute little extra. I thought this box was so worth it for that price. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Sandy. We have one more Etsy buy that I bought, and still related to these Boyd bears. I forget the name of the shop. I will list it below if you'd like to check it out. I don't see any invoice, so let's see what this looks like. So here's the first one. It's bearware, and look at that tiny, let me just open this. Look at this cute little pin with our adorable boy bear. Isn't he cute with his little hat? That is so cute. I don't see the year of when it was produced, but it does say limited edition. Super adorable. We have one more in here. Oh, here you go. So it is from Nahani Bluette is the name of the shop, and I'll put her link down below. But look at this guy. It's a cute little kind of fairy looking bear. His name is Winkleby Bumbles. How adorable is this blue teddy? And he has like some joints, and you can move him around and let him sit. But look at that belly. That is so cute. And you can hang him. So I might put him on our Christmas tree this holiday season. That's so cute. 1990 to 1999 was when this one was made. I hope you guys enjoy this little haul here from Etsy, Whimsy Barn Vintage Mystery Bear box, and also these cute little boy bears from Nahani Bluette. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.